Virgin Galactic has made a major stride in its spaceflight operations by revealing an enhanced flight schedule for its mothership aircraft. In a bold strategic maneuver, the company is making preparations to welcome the upcoming Delta-class suborbital spaceplanes. This move demonstrates the company's dedication to expanding its operations despite the obstacles posed by ongoing legal challenges. In collaboration with Aurora Flight Sciences, a Boeing company, Virgin Galactic is on the brink of transforming space travel. They are set to unveil two cutting-edge mothership vehicles that can facilitate up to 200 launches per year. This partnership marks a significant milestone in the field of aerospace engineering, combining years of experience and state-of-the-art technology to advance humanity's exploration beyond the boundaries of Earth's atmosphere. Virgin Galactic has announced that it intends to increase the frequency of flights for its current mothership aircraft in order to accommodate its upcoming Delta-class suborbital spaceplanes. This decision will enable the company to postpone the development of a new plane, while also addressing an ongoing legal dispute with Boeing. Virgin Galactic is thrilled to share the news of our partnership with Aurora Flight Sciences, a Boeing company. Together, we will be equipped with two brand new mothership vehicles specially designed to facilitate up to 200 launches annually. Based in Virginia, Aurora has over 3 decades of expertise in constructing state-of-the-art aircraft, taking them from initial idea to final product. Our focus lies in creating unique aircraft designs and utilizing advanced composite materials. Over the past several months, Virgin Galactic has been collaborating closely with Aurora to meticulously craft design specifications and determine the necessary workforce and resources for this extensive project. With the exciting news of the two-vehicle contract, Aurora is now poised to embark on immediate development. The upcoming vehicles will undergo an evolutionary process, building upon their current mothership, Eve. The aim is to create a production version that is specifically tailored for frequent commercial operations. This significant collaboration will enhance their operations, enabling greater efficiency and speed in their manufacturing processes, resulting in a significant increase in the number of missions they can undertake annually. Aurora intends to produce the aircraft at its manufacturing facilities in Columbus, Mississippi and Bridgeport, West Virginia. The Virgin Galactic facility in Mojave, California, will be the site where the final assembly of the motherships will take place. By partnering with Aurora, we have gained access to the top-notch nationwide aerospace ecosystem, stated Swami Iyer, the president of Aerospace Systems. With its close ties to the world's largest aerospace company, Aurora boasts an impressive team of top engineers and state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities. Todd Citron, the Chief Technology Officer and Vice President and General Manager of Boeing Research and Technology, expressed his enthusiasm for Boeing's involvement in advancing human space travel. He emphasized Boeing's commitment to safety, operational excellence, and expertise in aircraft design and manufacturing. Today's exciting news further deepens our partnership with Virgin Galactic, propelling us forward in the realm of groundbreaking aerospace advancements. Per Beith, Aurora's president and CEO, expressed enthusiasm for the collaboration between Aurora and Virgin Galactic, highlighting their shared passion for aerospace, innovation, and exploration. With Aurora's extensive experience in aircraft design, composite manufacturing, and vehicle integration, along with our exceptional team of engineers and manufacturing technicians, we possess the expertise and capabilities required to successfully deliver these cutting-edge aircraft. We are incredibly excited to be given the chance to back Virgin Galactic's groundbreaking mission of leading the way in space exploration. During a May 7 earnings call, Virgin Galactic executives shared their anticipation for the frequency of flights for their VMS Eve aircraft. They projected up to 125 flights per year once the company commences commercial service of the Delta spaceplanes, which will succeed the current VSS Unity in 2026. Assuming there are 2 Delta spaceplanes in service, the flight rate is calculated. The rate of 3 flights per week exceeds the earlier projections by 50%. With this capacity, the company could transport 750 customers annually, generating a revenue of $450 million. This calculation is based on an average ticket price of $600,000, which is currently set by Virgin. The company's profitability would be greatly enhanced by that flight rate. When we resume commercial service, The addition of a third flight per week will greatly benefit our business model, stated Michael Colglazier, Virgin Galactic's chief executive, during the call. By introducing our initial 2 Delta ships, we anticipate establishing a strong and significant business that generates positive operating cash flow. The planned increase in flight cadence for our mothership Eve is truly revolutionary, remarked Doug Ahrens, Virgin Galactic's chief financial officer. This development will have a profound impact once our first 2 Delta ships enter commercial service. This marks the initial milestone in our journey of economic expansion, as these profits can be reinvested to enhance our fleet and fuel further growth. After analyzing the plane's performance in recent flights carrying VSS Unity, Virgin determined that Eve could successfully complete 3 flights per week. This was made possible through the implementation of a specialized maintenance plan and operation schedule, as described by Colglazier. In 2008, the plane, originally named White Knight II, took to the skies. It underwent significant improvements before embarking on a series of Unity commercial flights, which began last year. Virgin Galactic's strategy involves relying on Eve to preserve its current funds and prioritize the development of Delta-class spaceplanes. As a result, they have decided to postpone the work on a new mothership to replace Eve. He explained that the next mothership program has been resequenced in order to improve capital management. However, the new plane is not anticipated to be in service before 2028. In 2022, Virgin Galactic made the exciting decision to partner with Aurora Flight Sciences, a subsidiary of Boeing, to develop their new mothership. The plan is for the first plane to enter service in 2025, marking a significant milestone in their journey. Unfortunately, progress on the plane came to a halt 1 year later. In March, Boeing filed a lawsuit against Virgin Galactic, claiming that Virgin had failed to pay $26.4 million in invoices for previous work and had also unlawfully used Boeing's intellectual property. Virgin refuted the allegations and filed a countersuit against Boeing in April, asserting that Boeing's work on the mothership contract was subpar and unfinished. At the tail end of the earnings call, a curious analyst inquired about the dueling suits that had surfaced. The concerns surrounding Boeing are insignificant and will not affect the advancement of our mothership program, Colglazier stated. It won't be a bother for us. Analysts raised concerns about the economic model proposed by Virgin, highlighting that a significant number of the company's backlog of over 700 customers had signed up years ago at considerably lower ticket prices. Ahrens mentioned that a little over 600 of its customers are at lower price points. He also stated that the company's annual revenue figure of $450 million would be achieved at about 12 months out once it has completed most of its backlog. He mentioned that the company has methods for selling tickets at a higher price. He pointed out that the upcoming Galactic 07 flight by VSS Unity will accommodate 4 passengers, with an average seat price exceeding $800,000. The upcoming Galactic 07 flight, set for June 8th or later, marks the end of an era for Unity. The company has made the strategic decision to shift its focus towards the development of the Delta-class vehicles, directing its resources accordingly. The upcoming flight is set to transport a private astronaut associated with Axiom Space, along with 3 other private astronauts, 2 hailing from the US and 1 from Italy. According to Colglazier, Unity has been instrumental in the success of Virgin Galactic, playing a crucial role in shaping the design of the Delta-class vehicles. According to reports, Unity is set to remain at Spaceport America following its final flight, where it will continue to serve as a valuable training asset for the company. It's quite thrilling to see the progress Virgin Galactic is making as they get closer to offering commercial service and achieving their ambitious goal of launching 400 flights annually from Spaceport America. In 2025, Virgin Galactic has high hopes for the launch of their motherships, coinciding with the anticipated debut of the first Delta-class spaceships. Virgin Galactic is eagerly anticipating the arrival of new members to their expanding fleet.